Draper Tools offers a comprehensive range of water pumps designed for general and specialist water pumping, water transfer and irrigation. The range includes 18 electric submersible pumps, 3 surface-mounted pumps, 2 pressure booster pumps and 4 petrol water pumps. The submersible pumps offer a selection that come with an automatic float switch, thermal switch protection and stainless steel or ABS plastic bodies. They are available in various motor and bore sizes and can pump water from a head height of 5 meters up to 36 meters. Some are designed to pump dirty water and can cope with solids up to a diameter of 38 millimeters. The 2 booster pumps are designed for the maintenance of water supply in the home and garden. They will boost and give a constant water pressure, with one offering 50 litres per minute and the other 55 litres. Both have a 24-litre holding tank, one of which is stainless steel. Both have automatic cut-off switches and a long-life double insulated impeller. The 4 petrol pumps come with either 25mm, 50mm or 80mm bore sizes, one of which is a trash pump that will allow pumping of solids and waste up to 27mm in diameter. All are suitable for building site and agricultural use.